Are you looking for a delicious and cruelty-free candy option? If so, you're in luck. The vegan candy industry is booming, and there are more options than ever before. Similar to traditional candies, vegan candies are designed to satiate desires for sugary treats, but they differ in that they don't contain dairy, gluten, honey, shellac, which are all produced from animals. Candy makers face both opportunities and challenges as a result of the shift to vegan-friendly ingredients. In this thorough video of the industry's methods for producing vegan sweets, we'll go over the components, methods of manufacture, tools utilized, difficulties encountered, and the innovation propelling this market's expansion. The selection of ingredients is one of the primary differences between vegan and traditional candies. Vegan candies steer clear of traditional candy, which frequently contain ingredients obtained from animals. A closer look at the typical non-vegan elements in conventional candies and their plant-based substitutes in vegan candies is provided below. Gummy candy, marshmallows, and jellies frequently contain gelatin, which is made from the collagen present in animal bones, skin, and connective tissues. It is responsible for the chewy texture of these candies. However, plant-based gelling agents including agar-agar, pectin, and carrageenan are used in vegan candy. While pectin is a naturally occurring fiber presented in fruits, agar-agar is made from red seaweed. Another seaweed extract called carrageenan is utilized to get a texture similar to that of gelatin. Dairy is an ingredient in many classic candies, like milk chocolates and caramels. Plant-based milk substitutes such as almond milk, soy milk, coconut milk, and oat milk are used in vegan chocolates in place of dairy. A common dairy-free alternative to milk fat in vegan chocolate is cocoa butter, a naturally occurring fat that is derived from cocoa beans. Vegan sweets do not contain honey, which is a sweetener obtained from animals. Cane sugar, maple syrup, agave nectar, or brown rice syrup are substitutes used in vegan candy. Manufacturers must make sure that the cane sugar they use isn't treated with bone char, which is occasionally used to refine sugar and give it a white appearance. The female lac bug secretes confectioner's glaze, sometimes referred to as shellac, which is used to give chocolates a glossy, shining look. To get a comparable look, vegan sweets use plant-based coatings, like plant-based cellulose or carnauba wax, which is made from the leaves of a carnauba palm. Many food colorings used in candies have ingredients originated from animals or insects. Carmine, for example, is manufactured from cochineal insects. Plant-based colorings made from natural materials like paprika extract, turmeric, spirulina, or beet juice are used in vegan candy. In addition to making the sweets vegan-friendly, these natural colorings also appeal to customers who are concerned about their health and are searching for goods devoid of artificial dyes. Vegan sweets are made in a manner quite similar to that of conventional candies, but extra care must be taken to guarantee that all of the components are cruelty-free and plant-based. Here's a summary of the steps involved in making vegan sweets, from the raw ingredients to the finished product. Making a foundation mixture by combining the ingredients is the first stage in making candies. Plant-based sweeteners such as organic cane sugar or agave syrup, water, natural flavorings, and plant-based gelling agents such as pectin or agar-agar, would all be included in the creation of vegan candies. Large industrial mixtures are used to combine the materials in order to produce a uniform texture. To dissolve the components and get the right consistency, the base is heated to a certain temperature after it has been mixed. The gelling ingredients in gummy candies are activated during the heating process, giving them a chewy feel. If pectin is being used, the mixture is heated with an acidic substance, like fruit juice or citric acid, to aid in the pectin setting. The mixture is heated to a high temperature, about 150 to 160 degrees Celsius, until it reaches the hard crack stage for hard candies. Once cooked, the candy mixture is either formed with specialized equipment or poured into molds. Molds of different shapes, bears, worms, or fruits are frequently used for gummy candy. Materials that can tolerate the high temperatures of the candy mixture, such as silicone or metal, are used to make the molds. The shaped candies are then left to cool and set, allowing them to solidify into their final forms. Gummy candies, for example, may need to sit for several hours to achieve the perfect chewiness. To speed up the process, manufacturers often use cooling tunnels, which quickly bring down the temperature and help set the candies. To give the candies a glossy look and keep them from sticking together, they can be covered with plant-based wax, like camarba wax, once they have cooled. In some cases, candies may also be dusted with natural sugars or sour powders made from citric or malic acid to add flavor. The equipment required to make vegan sweets is much of the same that is used to make regular candies. To prevent cross-contamination with non-vegan products, some equipment must be modified or cleaned. The following are some typical industrial equipment types. The candy fountain is created by combining components in large industrial mixtures. In addition, to handle both dry and wet materials, these mixtures must be able to maintain a steady mixing speed for consistency. The candy mixture is heated and cooked using cookers, such as vacuum cookers in steam-jacketed kettles. By lowering the air pressure, vacuum cookers may cook candies at lower temperatures while maintaining the natural flavors and colors of the ingredients. Molding and depositing machines shape the candies by pouring the heated mixture into molds. These machines must be capable of high precision to ensure uniform size and shape for mass production. For gummy candies, depositing machines can handle the thick, viscous mixture, while for chocolates, molds may be of polycarbonate or silicone. Cooling tunnels rapidly cool down the candies to help them set more quickly and efficiently. These tunnels are essential in high-volume production where candies are needed to move through different stages quickly to maintain production flow. While polishing machines use plant-based waxes to create a glossy finish, enrobing machines cover candy with a layer of vegan-friendly chocolate or other coatings. For delicacies like caramels or chocolate-covered nuts, these devices are essential. The shift to vegan candy production comes with several challenges that manufacturers must address to ensure product quality and consistency. It can be challenging to make vegan candies with the same texture and consistency, particularly when gelatin is substituted. Agar-agar and pectin, two plant-based gelling agents, behave differently from gelatin and frequently need additional ingredients and more extract temperature control to get the right chewiness or firmness. When compared to their animal-derived equivalents, vegan products may have distinct flavor profiles. For example, plant-based gelling agents may change the flavor of gummies, or dairy-free milk may add a new flavor to vegan chocolate. To preserve the candy's classic flavor, manufacturers must carefully blend flavorings and natural sweeteners. It can be difficult to make sure that every component is actually vegan. For instance, food colorings created from insects, natural flavorings obtained from animal sources, and sugar treated with bone char are not suitable for vegans. Certified vegan ingredients, which can occasionally be more costly and harder to find, must be sourced by manufacturers. There is a chance of cross-contamination in facilities that make both vegan and non-vegan goods. Strict cleaning procedures and potential production line segregation are necessary to guarantee that vegan candies don't include any substances sourced from animals. The market for vegan candies is still expanding as producers create new goods and enhance their current offerings. The following are some significant developments and patterns propelling the sector. Use of superfoods and functional ingredients. To appeal to consumers who are health conscious, producers are adding superfoods like spirulina, acai, and chia seeds to vegan chocolates. To make candies that have health advantages beyond merely stating a sweet desire, functional substances like vitamins, probiotics, or CBD are now being incorporated. A lot of vegan candy producers are dedicated to employing sustainable ingredients, such as fair trade chocolate, organic cane sugar, or seaweed that has been ethically farmed. Customers who place a high value on ethical and environmental issues while making purchases will find this strategy appealing. Manufacturers experimenting with novel plant-based components, such as modified starches and cutting-edge hydrocolloids, which can more nearly resemble the texture of gelatin to get around the texture restrictions of conventional vegan gelling agents. Vegan confectionery manufacturers are securing certifications for their goods, such as USDA Organic, Fair Trade Certified, or Non-GMO Project Verified, as customers demand openness in product labeling. Customers are reassured by these certifications on the ethical standards and quality of the ingredients utilized. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about the vegan candy industry, I encourage you to do some research on your own. There are a lot of great resources out there, and you'll find that the industry is growing rapidly. In the meantime, I hope you'll subscribe to our channel for more vegan-friendly content. I'll be posting new videos regularly, so you won't want to miss out. And if you're looking for some vegan candy to try, I recommend checking out some of the brands I mentioned in this video. They're all making delicious and innovative products that you're sure to enjoy. Thanks again for watching.